What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Got another camping modification for you guys. We're going to be installing a CVT 55-inch awning right there on the passenger side of my Tacoma. It's looking nice and good, a little frosted over. It's about 33 degrees out here, so I want to get this done. It's actually not too bad, other than the fact I can't really feel my hands, but with sweater on, we're doing pretty good. Here's the awning. Again, CVT Cascadia vehicle tents. I went with the gray color. You can also do blue, tan. You can do like a 45-inch, 55-inch. I think even like a 75-inch. So you can go up pretty darn big. But I think a 55 is going to look just good, or good enough. Whoa, it is dark. I apologize. As you may or may not know, I have a Prinsu roof rack. So if you plan on installing a CVT tent, and I would imagine any other roof, or not tent, a CVT awning, or any other type of awning on a Prinsu rack, I'm pretty sure these brackets are mandatory for all other awnings. I know for sure it's mandatory for the CVT one. So I just purchased these off of CBI on their website. So we'll get those installed. Shouldn't be too bad. Just got 2 of these, and then our mounting hardware. And what we're gonna have to do is, hopefully this doesn't get really dark for you. Fix it out. We're gonna use some T30 torque screws. I think that's what they're called. And I'm just gonna remove 2 of these brackets that are on top. Just go ahead and open up the awning now. Filming with one hand is, oh man, look at that. Got slush all over me, or frost. That definitely looks really nice. Alright. Got a nice CVT logo on the outside of it. Nice. Okay, why is it like stuck over there? Got that out of the box. Very nice quality. The back of it's got the railings. That's probably where those mounting brackets are gonna go. Yeah, super impressed with it. This thing is got some good weight. I'm just gonna loosen up 1, 2, so 2 brackets real quick, and then I'll go on the other side and loosen them up as well. That's mainly just so I can move them wherever I need to in order to get the awning installed. So I don't think there's a specific distance apart these are supposed to be set up, but it's a 55-foot, or not 55-foot awning. It's a 55-inch awning, so I don't know, I'll try to keep it even on each side. I mean, maybe a foot, and then I would think that's enough support. I'm actually gonna try to keep the brackets up top exactly how I have them. So the reason for that is right now my sunroof, which my wife really likes to be not obstructed, I'm just going to try to leave that one in the back, so that bracket, and then this one, so I'm just going to try to leave them there. First thing we're going to do here, we've got 8 of these bolts right here that can slide along the edges here of the roof rack. So the 2 that we loosened come up here. And let me see how I can mount this GoPro, but basically it's gonna take out the 2 bolts, start on one side, so remove 2, and then we're gonna slide these screws, if I can get it with one hand. There we go. We're gonna slide these into this side railing right there. So 2 on each side, 2, 2, and then the other one you're gonna use 2 and 2. Okay, now that I've secured both screws on each side. I already put that mounting bracket up there, just real quick. All we're gonna do with the CBI awning brackets, just slide it like that. Then you've got an opening right there. So just slide that right there. And same thing on this side. This side might be pretty dark for you guys. And then the black screws, wherever I put those, are gonna secure those, the 4 bolts on each side. Now with the washers and bolts that come with the mounting brackets, just going to get a washer in each one. Okay, now that the mounting brackets are installed, we can move on to the awning. One thing I didn't mention is older videos that I've seen, this awning piece is like a silver aluminum color. I really like how it's blocked out. That's just one thing I wanted to notate in there. So now this is the bag that came in the box with the awning. So we've got a wrench, another wrench, our screws, little mounting plate right there, and a few more mounting plates. Paracord. So if I had to guess, maybe we'll know those washers on these. I'm not too sure what these are for, or this. Maybe this is if you didn't have the mounting brackets, you can mount it like that, 2 of these on each side. I'm not too sure. Maybe these will go like that, as like extra washers. There's always got to be somebody weed whacking in the middle of a video. Okay, I called CVT. Luckily they just opened on a Saturday. If you have the Prinsu rack and you have the Prinsu mounting brackets, you do not need this hardware. So that stuff is not needed at all. I'll just save that for something else. I'm sure I could use these for something else. Definitely a good quality. All right, don't need that. Put that to the side. Let's move on to these bolts. There's an end cap that comes onto here like that. So I just popped it off, and then I'll pop off that side. And bam, gonna slide right in like that. And we're gonna put 2 real quick. So we've got 4 longer bolts and 4 smaller ones. These are a little bit, actually now they're about the same thickness. With the mounting brackets that I have on the Prinsu rack, I do not need these long bolts. So let's get rid of those. I know I just put those into there, but I guess I just showed you that those do fit. These are now gonna go in here. So we're gonna put 2 over here and 2 over there, line it up to the mounting brackets, and we're good to go. Figured I'd just show you guys this process. You've got a washer, messed up, and a bolt like that. And on this side, bam, all done. We're gonna pick it up, try to do this with one person, install there, and line it up there. One person can definitely install a CVT 55-inch awning. This is the hybrid one. Now let's go ahead and take this thing out. So, sorry it's dark right there. You've got a zipper, it's gonna come along here. Okay, there shouldn't be too much to this. So unzip it. Push this back, you got 3 latches. 2, 3. just gonna be 2 legs. One. All right, so like I mentioned before, there are no instructions for installing this. So I just learned that there's more legs on the inside of the awning. So we put that like that. There's also one going this way, which secures into here. So that goes into there all the way around. In there, there. Okay, gonna keep that like that. Now we're going to do this side. This one. All right, struggled a lot a bit, but I got it figured out. These that come out all lock, so you pull, turn it towards you, that secures. Same thing with these are all going to secure. You've got the little rod going right through there. I've got it fully extended. I did not know this. This thing comes with a little light bar. That is awesome. It got the USB cord that goes right into there. So if you've got a portable generator, just plug that right in. You don't have to keep your truck on the whole time. Yeah, definitely gives me more than enough room to do whatever I need to do down there. Put a grill, put some chairs. Life will be good. If you guys got any questions, as always, don't hesitate to ask me. See you guys on the next video. Take care.